know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So on the right, that road leads into the 3 miles area, then onto Constant Spring Road, and then on the left is the Kingston Wharf area, and that's what we're gonna take a look on today. So we're on Marcus Garvey Drive, and we're gonna take a look over the wharf area. I've never done a video over there before. Over there is like a city by itself. So this is the Portmore Toll Road. It brings you to Portmore, but you have a detour that brings you over into the wharf area. So stay tuned, guys. Watch to the end. Very interesting area. Remember to comment. You know, commenting helps the channel a lot. Helps YouTube to push the video to persons that have never seen the channel. Remember to like. And if you're new or probably watched quite a few videos and have never subscribed, what are you waiting on? So Kingston Wharves, Kingston Container Terminal, those big cranes unload containers from the ship. A lot of trucks over here, so you have to drive safely. They're picking up, they're dropping off. Kingston Free Zone is to the right. These are truck waiting lanes right here. And again, Kingston Free Zone Container Terminal is to the right. We can't go over there, so just highlighting it for you guys. Straight ahead is where the trucks would go into, I guess, get prepared to collect their containers. They have restaurants over here, cook shops. Those were on the left just now. So it's like a city by itself. Very hazardous area as well. You just have to be careful. You know, a truck can pull out anywhere. You have truck flatbed everywhere. To the left is the Kingston Logistic Center, and then Kingston Freeport Terminal. Have a next section to the right over here again. Seem to be doing some construction. They're making a warehouse. I wonder if I can highlight that. Let me see if I can highlight it a little bit, guys. See how skilled I am. Alright, so that grey building in front of us, it seems to be an expansion. Seems to be a very big warehouse that's basically finishing up right now. So it's right there. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. So, very big warehouse. I guess it's a part of the Kingston Freeport terminal area. Alright guys, so let's go back on the drive. And again, watch to the end. I'm not sure how often some of you guys come over here or get a chance to come over here. I know persons are always shipping in containers, crates, cartons, you know, billions, well, millions and probably billions of dollars passes through these here every day. You know, via transshipment, collecting of container and logistics and everything. This is where a lot of stuff, this is where everything enters Jamaica, you know. And everybody knows that Jamaica's import bill is gigantic compared to what we export. You know, that's something we need to work on as a country. Figure out more stuff to export. I think agriculture has been on a decline for so long, and we keep importing even some agricultural stuff that we should be producing. It's kind of crazy. So we're alongside the Marcus Garvey, and then we're heading to another section. So we're coming up to a stoplight. Alright, so we're heading to another section of the Kingston Wharves. You know, what this section is where a lot of persons desire to work as well. We have a lot of good paying employers. Just trying to show you guys around the area. A lot of freight forwarding companies over here as well. So trucks everywhere. Containers everywhere. Truck yard everywhere. Some tire repair shops over here, and you know, auto parts and mechanic place over here, because I'm thinking that, you know, with so much trucks and vehicles, you know, things are gonna break down and needs to be maintained and repaired. So you have different sections over here. You have sections to collect your barrel, you know, any small items that you get from abroad. You have the container section differently. Now we know the cars that are coming in the country and motor vehicles come through here as well. And then straight up the road we have the Kingston Wharves. It's a very huge place, guys. Not sure how many of you guys watching shipping container regularly or barrels. It can be a headache in terms of the amount of stress that come with it and long lines, but you know, most things that you're shipping, if you were trying to get it out here, it'd be super expensive. Alright, so in front of us is the Kingston Wharves Limited, one of the main players over here. Very massive warehouse that they have. You know, billions of dollars passing through. So, Kingston Wharves, Kingston Container Terminal, very massive area. As I said, it's like a community by itself. You know, if you don't know over here, you may get lost or have to ask for a lot of direction to find exactly where you want to find. And we know, you know, Kingston has one of the deepest harbor. So there's a lot of talks from time to time, you know, just saying that Jamaica needs to set up a major transshipment hub right here in the Kingston Harbor, because it's one of the deepest and it's very central as well, so it can support other Caribbean nations as a transshipment hub. So lots of talk about, you know, the transshipment hub that has not happened as yet, but let's see which government will make it happen. So again, very massive area. Just giving you guys a driving tour, showing you guys around the place. Alright guys, so this is another section. So over here is where the ships come in and dock and unload. So guys, see clearly this is a ship that brings motor vehicle. So it's an auto liners. The side of the ship goes way up because you know the motor vehicle is stored or transported on multiple levels. So it's designed a little bit differently from, you know, a regular container ship like that one over there. So if you look close, you see the muffler. So it's docked there unloading. And then this is the other one. So Kingston Wharves. And then this is the other one here. No persons have spotted this one before because it's very big. Yeah, so Kingston Wharves. This is where everything comes into Jamaica. So always showing you guys around as usual. I wonder if any of you guys have a container on this ship. That would be interesting. Alright, so this is the Kingston Wharf. This is the customer parking. It's the total logistics facility. So they have ATM and everything. I know money passes through these places. Hundreds of thousands, millions, and probably even billions as well. Corporate office parking. And then this is the Kingston Wharves. 195 2nd Street. Mega warehouse. You know, see just past a food truck on the left. So this is where everything comes in Jamaica. Alright guys, just keeping you updated as usual. Guys, as I said, a lot of independent companies over here as well, custom brokers, audit company, auto parts. So I guess most of them probably set up an office here, and a part of the reason is to be able to clear their goods very quickly and easily, and then they may send it now to the other branches, because a lot of the spaces over here are independently owned as well, are probably leased, probably rented. But it's a massive area. So again, just driving around with you guys, showing you guys around the place, so you guys can see exactly what's happening. And again, remember to like if you haven't done so. So wherever you are in this video, press that like button. Remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. Alright guys, so I hope you guys were able to see a lot. And again, as usual, thanks for watching the video. Really appreciate the support. And don't forget, if you haven't yet done so, like, comment, and share as well. So we're by the Kingston Wharf, the Kingston Container Terminal. This is the transshipment city of Jamaica. So So just wanted to highlight it for you guys. I know you may not need to, and you may not come this side regular. So just wanted to show you guys what's happening. So thanks for watching as usual. Stay tuned for more driving videos. And I'll see you again. And we have the Kingston Wharves main building in front of us.